Welcome to my channel, where I share my journey of building a Sling TSI. Since I built the DRDT-2 a few days ago, I've been wanting to build a stand for it. So when the DRDT sits on the stand, I want the top of the tool to stay flush with my workbench. And this log shows my build progress. I copied the structure of the stand from the official Sling TSI build video made by Evan. I think he showed his stand from one of the first videos. And then I did some measurement and figured out the dimension of what I needed. And then you can see the 3D modeling on the screen here. And then I bought some 2x4s from Home Depot and made a cut. And I also bought some wheels so that stand can move around just like the workbench. One mistake I made last time when building the workbench is that the wheels I bought did not have locks. That was a mistake. So the table was super easy to move around when I put even the slightest force. So this time I bought extra wheels with locks on them to use on the stand, and also I decided to replace the old ones from the workbench too.